Wow. Welcome to my channel once again. In this video, I will share with you guys how I got one of my channel monetized within 2 hours. Now stay tuned. Open your Chrome browser, then type in studio.youtube.com, then allow it to load. After a successful load, you will see your YouTube main studio. From there, but first, before going to the monetization stuff, I would like to teach you or show you one most important thing you have to consider before going to any other thing. Go to your content and go to restriction. Make sure that none of your content contain a copyright claim. Like I will show you an example in this my video. You can see, go to field restriction, none. None is restricted. See, I will scroll up as you're looking. Yes, none is restricted. So you have to check that before working on your watch hour and before applying for the YouTube partnership program. So once this is done and you confirm that none of your content has a copyright claim, then you proceed to your channel monetization this thing. Now let's click the monetization $sign. Let's click the $sign. Wow. I'm qualified to apply for the YouTube partnership program. But before then, let's go and copy my YouTube URL in my channel customization, just like that, because it is very important. You will use the link to monetize your channel. That is, the link will serve as your website. So let's copy it now. Yes, let's copy it. Now you go to see your YouTube URL, then you copy it. Click on copy. If you are monetizing with mobile phone, see, just click there. Here you see what I clicked. Then we'll go back to the $sign. That is monetization, this thing. Let's go back there. Go back to the main dashboard, then allow it to load. Everything you're doing, allow it to load. Then click the $sign. Go to the $sign. Yes, then let's proceed. Yes, then start now. That is apply now. We will click apply now. Let's click apply now. Yes, you see the first step is there, start, while others are showing this thing. Now we have to apply for the first one before the second stage will open. Then make sure you read the requirements, the YouTube terms, the YouTube partner program terms. Make sure you read it very well. If you don't have the time to read it, make sure you screenshot everything. Then at the end, you agree with their policy and submit. Understand? Make sure you read it very well so that you know what you not do, what you will do and what you should not do in your channel. Understand? So it's very important. After that, you refresh your monetization listing to show that to be updated. Understand? So I have refreshed the background, so wait to see the result. Let's wait as it is loading. It's successfully loading, so let's wait. Now you see, done. Step 1 is done. This step 2 is now open. That is, set up your Google AdSense. So now you have to be careful. Just wait now and see that I will show you how to correct this error. Some email you might have opened, might have opened Google AdSense in a wrong way. But this now, they will show us if I have AdSense before. But before, I don't have AdSense, but I have mistakenly created an AdSense with my main email I'm using in my YouTube. But now I will fix the problem to show you how to fix the problem. Now the first email address is my main email for this channel, but I have issues there. Let me click it and see what it will show. Now let's watch and see. I've opened the Google AdSense with the link. Now let's watch and see. We'll come back showing that I have this thing, but I have not approved the AdSense that is not approved yet. But see the problem here. Most people, if they have such problem, they will be afraid. They will be saying all sort of things that YouTube refuse to do this. Or now I will insert my YouTube URL in the chance provided, because I will click this edit this thing that I want to change my ad my website. You know, they require that I use my own, that I should not use a host um, website, that I should use my own domain that I own. Now let me click it and edit, put my YouTube URL. Let's see what they will show us. Mhm. Now they are telling me to go and use that. They are telling me that I'm using a hosted website. I use my own. That I should go and use my main website. Now see how I will try it again. Let's see what it show again. I will click again. Let's click again. Yes. Let's see what it will show again. You see the same thing. So all I will do now is to click the icon, that my profile picture, to select another email address that I will use to create this AdSense directly from YouTube. Just see, watch and see what I will do. Please subscribe to this channel as you are watching. Please subscribe. Now look, I will scroll down and select another Gmail account that I've never used in trying anything AdSense. See what I did. Now I've clicked on it. Yes, can you see, this, that my YouTube URL have automatically been copied as my website? Can you see it there? You can see it, right? Now you get more out of AdSense. Tick the one you would, anything just like that. I say I ticked yes, that I want more from them. I want more help and these things from them. Just make sure you select your country. Like me, I'm from Nigeria, so I will search for Nigeria. Then I will click on select. I will select Nigeria. After that, then you make sure you read the terms and condition for Google AdSense. Make sure you read it very well. If you don't have time, you screenshot. If you, as you can see I'm screenshotting, because I will go through it after everything. So after the end, you click accept, then you submit. After that, you have successfully created and your AdSense, but you will wait for some minutes to make sure it's approved. But in this video, I will show you everything, how it is approved very fast. Then let's go to the main Google AdSense that I have created, that I've just created, to see how fast it was. Though it have not been verified in the YouTube studio, but it will be verified very fast, I'm aware. Yes, this is this thing, my details. So this is my AdSense main home screen. So now in this aspect, when you have reached this stage of monetization, then I think you are done with your AdSense creation. All you have to do now is to go back to the host, which is YouTube, to know if the creation have reflected in the studio. But you can see it have not reflected. I have to refresh the page again. Understand? I have to refresh the page again to make sure it's reflected. So let's see. Now you can see it's in progress. Once this second stage is done, the third stage will automatically start. Understand? No need for you to come back and apply for the third term. Understand? The third stage will automatically start, and you will get notification once it is done. I will share this video on how my channel got monetized next.